Welcome to Pioneer's Knowledge Hub.
Have you ever wondered what's inside the $5 billion Apple headquarters? Today we're about to unravel this mystery. Welcome to Apple Park, a testament to the future of tech and a masterpiece of modern architecture. Sprawling over 175 acres, it's a spectacle that combines the power of innovation with an immense price tag. It's not just a workspace, but a symbol of Apple's commitment to design and detail. Join us on this exciting virtual tour of the Apple headquarters, a place where innovation meets architectural brilliance. As you approach the Apple Park, the first thing that catches your eye is its spaceship-like structure. This colossal ring-shaped edifice, affectionately known as the spaceship, is a marvel of modern architecture. Spanning a whopping 175 acres, the campus is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and design. The exterior is a harmonious blend of technology and nature. The meticulously landscaped grounds are home to over 9,000 drought-resistant trees, fostering a serene environment that inspires creativity. The spaceship's circular design is not just an aesthetic choice, it facilitates collaboration, encouraging employees to connect and share ideas. But it's not all about aesthetics. Apple Park runs entirely on renewable energy, courtesy of an impressive array of solar panels adorning the roof. This commitment to sustainability is a clear demonstration of Apple's dedication to reducing its carbon footprint. But the exterior is just the tip of the iceberg. Wait until you see what's inside. Step inside and you're greeted by a world of glass and steel, a testament to Apple's commitment to design and detail. As soon as you cross the threshold, you're welcomed by a sea of open office spaces. These are not your typical cubicles, but rather a modernist dream of clean lines and minimalistic design. Here, employees can collaborate freely, fostering an atmosphere of innovation and creativity. The main atrium houses something truly unique: massive 4-story glass doors. These are not just any doors, but the largest in the world, demonstrating Apple's no-compromise approach to design. When these doors swing open, the boundary between exterior and interior virtually disappears, allowing for a seamless integration of the building with nature. And speaking of nature, the abundance of natural light is a key feature of the interior. The glass exterior allows sunlight to filter in throughout the day, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a healthier workspace. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to sustainability and the well-being of its employees. But it's not all work at Apple Park. The campus also boasts a 100,000 square foot fitness center. This state-of-the-art facility is equipped with everything from treadmills to weightlifting equipment, promoting physical health alongside intellectual stimulation. Adjacent to the fitness center, you'll find a 2-story yoga room. This tranquil space, complete with floor-to-ceiling windows, offers employees a place to unwind and recharge. And then there's the crown jewel of the interior, the 1,000-seat Steve Jobs Theater. Named after the visionary co-founder of Apple, this auditorium is used for product launches and presentations. It's a cutting-edge venue that embodies the spirit of innovation that drives Apple. The interior of the Apple Park is as impressive as you'd expect from a company that prides itself on design. The beauty lies not just in the visual appeal, but also in the thoughtfulness of its design, reflecting the company's commitment to its employees, sustainability, and innovation. It's more than just a workspace. It's a testament to Apple's enduring vision. One of the standout features of the Apple Park is the Steve Jobs Theater. Tucked away beneath the surface, this architectural marvel is as much a testament to Apple's innovation as it is a tribute to its co-founder, Steve Jobs. The theater is nestled underground, a design choice that speaks to Apple's commitment to minimizing its impact on the environment. Yet, despite its subterranean location, the theater doesn't lack for natural light thanks to the 20-foot-tall glass cylinder that serves as its entrance. This awe-inspiring cylinder, made of the largest curved glass panels in the world, channels sunlight from the surface down into the theater below. And let's not forget the theater's carbon fiber roof. Weighing 70 tons and supported solely by the glass cylinder walls, this roof is a marvel of engineering and design. It's the largest carbon fiber roof in the world, a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. But the Steve Jobs Theater isn't just about impressive architecture, it's also the stage for Apple's future. This is where the company unveils its latest innovations, where it launches its newest products, and where it charts the course for the tech industry. From iPhones to iPads, from Macs to watches, this is where Apple's future takes shape. The Steve Jobs Theater is a fitting tribute to the man who started it all. The Apple Park is more than just a headquarters. It's a symbol of Apple's commitment to innovation, design, and the environment. From the moment we began our journey into this architectural marvel, it was evident that the Apple Park isn't an ordinary corporate structure. Its unique spaceship-like design, crafted with painstaking precision, embodies Apple's ethos of thinking differently. Every curve, every line, every element of the exterior is a testament to Apple's dedication to design. As we ventured inside, we discovered a world where technology and nature coexist. The interior of the park is a harmony of function and aesthetic, a seamless blend of workspaces and green spaces. Each detail, from the vast open-plan offices to the meticulously designed acoustics, is engineered to foster creativity, collaboration, and inspiration. We also explored the Steve Jobs Theater, a place where Apple's future is unveiled. Named after the tech giant's late co-founder, it is a monument to his vision. Here, in this state-of-the-art auditorium, Apple's latest ideas come to life, surrounded by the tranquility of nature. But the Apple Park is more than just a collection of buildings. It is a manifestation of Apple's philosophy. The commitment to renewable energy, evident in the rooftop solar panels, is a reflection of Apple's dedication to environmental sustainability. The integration of nature, from the parklands to the orchards, is a nod to Apple's belief in the importance of well-being and balance. The Apple Park is a $5 billion investment in the future, a future where technology and nature, innovation and sustainability, work and life, can harmoniously coexist. It's a future that Apple is not just imagining but actively creating. In essence, the Apple Park is a physical embodiment of Apple's ethos, a place where its values are not just spoken, but are lived and breathed every day. It is a symbol of what Apple stands for, a testament to its vision, and a legacy of its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible. With its remarkable architecture and attention to detail, the Apple Park is truly a testament to Apple's vision and legacy.
Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.